Welcome to the future of progressive cavity pumps. Meet HiCone. What makes the HiCone technology unique is that the diameter of the rotor and stator are larger on the suction side and smaller on the discharge side. This conical shape allows you to counteract normal wear through a simple adjustment system. By rotating the captured nut here, this threaded shaft will move forward with clockwise rotation or retract with counterclockwise rotation. Advancing the rotor forward into the stator creates additional compression between the rotor and stator. This allows you to regain performance loss due to normal wear instead of replacing parts. The HiCone Automatic is an easy, efficient solution for enhanced pump performance, with a separate servo motor for automated adjustments. Real-time tuning retracts the rotor during startup to reduce friction. This means less compression is needed at startup, so a smaller motor can be used, saving you upfront costs and reducing operational expenses. The wear life of conventional PC pumps are at a 2-to-1 ratio, basically meaning there's 2 stator replacements to every worn rotor. This is represented above by the curves in gray. Overlapping this are the red curves, which represent the adjustment of the HiCone throughout the span of its lifetime. By using this example, the customer will replace 4 stators and 2 rotors over the same span of time that the HiCone must have its first rotor and stator change. The HiCone Automatic allows the adjustment to occur while the pump is in operation. It also provides a unique startup routine, significantly reducing starting torque, allowing lower horsepower motors to be used. All of this combined makes the HiCone Progressive Cavity Pump revolutionary. Vogelsang, leading in technology.